Refill more. Ayun mga kaibigan, oh. Wow! You want more juice, Goy? Okay, give me the book. Is that yours, Dada? Oh, that's okay. No, I'm not having that. Just drink, CJ. I can help you hold. Oh, ayan mga kaibigan, oh. Dami ditong naglilinya sa donut. Yeah. No, wait lang, wait lang. I'm gonna get some more CG, some juice. Oh. No more? Ah, okay. Eat muna. So go eat muna. Oh, there's one in the other side. I wanna check the cookie. Ayan mga kaibigan, naglilinya dito. Oh. Pinagpilahan ang donut dito. Ayan. Yeah. I'll check this bread. Oh. Goy.
Your favorite bagel?
Yeah, I wanna get. Which one is that? This one?
Yeah.
Don't touch, okay? We will wait. You think we wait, babe? Okay.
Here. It's from Panera.
Oh. CJ, no touch. Hi, can we get one?
This?
Yes, please. Thank you.
The one?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, they have donut. Thank you very much. Okay, let's go. You need, babe, give me that. Here, babe. That's for them and mine. Ayan dito mga kaibigan, na busy ang mga tao. Okay, let's go. We'll toast that one when we get home. The bagel. Okay. You like goy? Ang mukha ni... Uy! Do we have napkins? Give it to Dada. Ah, okay.
Do I have a...
No, you're good. You did good. I'm looking for a trash can for this.
Here.
Daddy will find a trash can. CJ, wait. I'm gonna wipe your shirt right here. Wait lang, i-wipe natin yung mukha mo doon kay napuno ng say hi. Dito mga kaibigan, pagtapos ng misa, mayroong donut ng mga bulilit. Come on, CJ. May padunat, may tinapay. Ayan, tag-isa kami. Where's Dada? Wait lang, hintayin natin si Dada. Saan kaya may...
I see her right over there.
Okay.
Getting a bread.
Ayan, si CJ. CJ, wipe. Uy, ba't mo sinubo na yung mo? That's enough donut, ha?
I really love try macaroni.
CJ, stay with me. Run. Stay here, Goy. Hawakan mo yan, Goy, kaya baka malaglag yan. Gusto mo yung Gusto niya gago yung color pink. Okay, let's go.
It's strawberry.
Here, babe, please hold this one. Ayan. Happy ang mga chikiting, mga kaibigan.
Did you wipe this hand?
No.
Okay, you touched me. Probably on me now.
We're gonna need a wet wipe for the... CJ, stay right here. Oh, a bus. A bus, buddy.
Mom, I got chocolate on here.
No, you have chocolate?
Yeah, a little bit.
You're fine. CJ, see a bus. So, a bus. So, please hold this napkin. I'll throw the old one. The dirty one, I'll hold.
These are dirty?
That's clean, Missy. That's clean. Tapon natin dito, mga kaibigan. Dito po nagmimisa kapag, umaga, everyday. Sarado ata. Sarado. Dito yung chapel. Close na, nak. Okay, let's go. Hawak mama kay ang... Okay. Ayan ang panahon. CJ, I'm gonna hold your hand kay may mga sasakyan. Busy pa naman. Wait for me, CJ. Okay. You have the key, babe?
No, you do.
Oh, okay. Oh. Get some wipes for CJ.
Get home.
Mommy, look, I got Mom, go.
Sit down,
Oh,
CJ.
thank you, buddy.
Can we go to Panera? I said.
No, we're not going in there, honey. We already have donut.
We have Panera right now.
Here, honey. Wipe your hand.
We have
Ikaw, go. Are you done? Give me your paper. Anong tawag dyan? Yan, napkin. Don't put on the floor, goy. We're trying to clean here. Malinis. We don't need to go there anymore.
We got Panera bagels.
We got bagel. Thank you, buddy.
That's a move because I'm hungry.
Ayan, hungry.
Nope, they're for me.
Aw.
Oh,
Uy, you didn't close your door, honey.
oh.
We have bread here. We're toast in the house.
These are Panera.
Uy.
You almost run into them.
Is he barking, huh?
They pulled in the spot temporarily,
I know, right?
and they decided to go.
I thought I saw them parking there, so I thought
Yeah.
it's clear.
And then you change your mind.
Yeah, they changed their mind.
OMG.
Oh, because you know what? Probably
They might have pulled in there because of that kid.
know the time. We're going to the next mass. They think the mass is, see, the time.
Yep.
They're not aware of the time change. Ayun mga kaibigan, oh, grabe talaga kasayang dito. Dami mga tinatapon, no?
What time is it, Mom?
Ayun, oh, mga sus ko. Oh, ayan, oh, may upuan, may sofa, may cabinet. Sus ko. Ganda mga kaibigan, oh, tinatapon. Mayroon pa doong mga sapatos, siguro yan.
Mama, look.
Oh, ang ganda pa ng mga sofa, oh. 2 cabinet, 1 sofa, 2 chair. Sus, kaganda. Ang ganda pa naman ng kulay.
I'm in traffic.
Pwede mo pa yung magtyagaan, oh. Kung matyaga kang maglinis dyan, magtyaga kang pipinturahan or magbarnis lang naman yan kasi kahoy. Barnis. Ako nga mga kaibigan, yung mga kabinet ko, binabarnisan. Pinipunturahan ko, lalo na yung ano namin, puti yung pinunturahan ko. Dalawa yung kuskus ng kuskus kasi brown siya eh. Tapos, pinunturahan ko ng puti. Ang ganda na nga eh, nagagamit na ng mga bulilit. Mayroon kaming dresser, cabinet para sa mga damit nila, Don Julio, at saka may mga lagyan ng mga libro. You had fun, Goy?
Yeah.
Wow. We're gonna cook some eggs. Then we have Dada got some. You want scrambled egg for that, Dada, or sunny side up?
Yes.
What?
Honey
Both?
side?
Both are good. Either way, whichever you choose.
We'll put some avocado. Or what do you wanna add on?
Avocado sounds good.
I like the avocado.
You want avocado?
I think she want butter.
Yeah, but
Do we have butter?
Butter on her
Bagel?
what do you call this, bad?
Bagel.
I always love butter with my bagel.
That bagel is really bulky. It's not flat.
Yeah, no, it's not. That's the way it always is.
Ay mga kaibigan, meron yan sila after Simba. Meron silang pa donuts,
No, no
pa
coffee.
coffee,
No, no coffee.
pa kape, juice, gatas, yung mga
I don't have any coffee.
treats. You want me to stop in the store quick?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, I don't have any coffee.
Wala na palang kape
I
sa
had a
Chris, so
tiny amount.
diretso na lang tayo doon.
I need more.
Diretso na lang.
Mom, I need to be so big here soon.
Oh, not yet going.
Hey.
We have to go get Dada's kape.
What did you do to
So,
it?
wala nang kape si Dada.
Me.
Something wrong with the screen, Goy. Look,
Loading.
something, no Wi-Fi right now.
It says loading.
Yeah, it's loading.
I already learned that in school.
Oh yeah.
Loading. Waiting for anything on.
Oh, yeah.
Did you learn that too, CJ?
No,
Yeah.
you did not.
Can't read.
Mm-mm. Daan muna kami sa tindahan kay...
Mommy, I don't want to eat. My breakfast is bagel. Okay.
Sure, Goy.
I like breakfast with bagel.
They're gonna pull.
They
They're gonna
don't
let somebody
have
out.
parking?
Go around them. Go around them. They're just gonna go letting somebody out in the store.
Oh, they're dropping a person.
Yeah, doing something.
Dropping a person.
You could have just dropped me too.
Why?
We're going.
Oh, you're going in? Okay.
We're just gonna have a walk.
Which
Let's
store am I
go.
going inside?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I don't want
Oh, you don't wanna go inside? Wow, look at your stuffy. Okay, let's go.
it. She ate a donut.
No! Okay. Don't give her donut.
Here's a pretend.
Baka maano niya, mapuno niya ng sugar.
This is a real donut and she's eating a pretend.
Okay. Uwi tayo dito kay Dada Kano. Sige, mapuno na ito sila mamaya ng sugar. Ano na to sila? Hype. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, I got it.
Make sure you hold his hand.
Okay. Gusto niyang ako ang maghawak. Ay, ay, ay. Gusto ni Agoy-Agoy o CJ maghawak sa akin. Makamama din. As Dada. Mahirap talaga ito pagdalhin si Don Julio, mga kaibigan, kay gustong sasakay nito, oh, yung malaki. Ayan, oh, tingnan mo nga, ang laki-laki ng cart. Diyan, oh, susko. Tapos, ang bibilhin, isang kape lang. Oh. Isang kape lang ang bibilhin, pero ang laki-laki ng cart. Yan ang gusto niya. Andito kami sa paborito na tindahan ng mga chikiteng. Their favorite store. Goy, be careful not to drop this on the floor, Goy, kay madumihan. Wow, oops. Ang daming mga cookies. Good. Goy, what's the see Kishana's feet? Ang ano pa naman, ang sakit naman. Goy, be careful sa cart ha. You gotta stay away on the cart. Kaya yung feet mo, naku. Maliit pa naman. You gonna watch, Goy. You're the one gonna watch. Kay too big yung sinakyan ni CJ. Ice cream. Daan muna kami dito sa tindahan. tindahan. Ha? Yeah, there's some foodie. O sige, mahal. Alam mga kaibigan, mahal ng ano, $3 each. Sus, $3 each, Mga kaibigan, $3 each ang isang balimbing. Maliit pa. $3, isang piraso. Mahal yan dito. Mahal ang balimbing. Mahal ang balimbing. Magkuha tayo dito ng yung pang, na si Chris. Kuha tayo dito ng pang sabaw na buto-buto. Sarap magsabaw-sabaw.
Never die. I'm cold.
Oy. Kung cold ka, mas cold ako, nak. Anong sabawin natin dito ng mga buto-buto? Walang ribs. Ito. Wala silang ribs ba? Mataba yan. Ito lang yung ribs nila. Wala nang iba. Masarap ito mga kaibigan. Lagyan natin ng ito lang man gusto pa naman ito. Isa lang, ito na lang. Grabe, sobrang taba. Ito na lang. Asan yung lalagyan nyo? Dara, kumuha ng magsabaw tayo ng buto. Siya? Short ribs. Asan si Dadagoy? Ang linis talaga ng tindahan nila dito. Kaya, tingnan mo, grabe kalinis. Asan ang kape ni Chris? Ay, it's right here. This way, kape niya. Andito ang kape ni Dada. Andito na. Water? Hold on. Just put this one in there, babe. I'll get them water. Or we're just gonna wait in the house? We'll just wait in the house, Goy. We're going home. Sige, we're just going home because ayun, pag tubig-tubig. Dito na tayo. Nakainom na kayo ng juice. Bye, mga kaibigan. Strawberries. Sit down, CJ. Sit down. Goy, madumihan yung bata-bata mo dyan. Sige mga kaibigan, bye-bye.